What is going on, my fine people? Fine Line 1721 checking back in. Here to give you guys another quick review. Today we're going to be taking a look at an upcoming Air Jordan that is slated for release April 2nd. As you can see, we have that OG standard box. Not the first time that we've seen Nike invert the colors, where normally it would be an all black box with the red Nike branding. Normally Nike keeps the inverted color boxes for the women OGs. Go ahead and take a look at the label. Air Jordan 1 High 85, College Navy, Summit White, size 11 we're going to be taking a look at. I believe this is the third High 85 that Nike has released thus far. We're supposed to be getting the OG Chicago's. I don't know if they're going to be a High 85 or something entirely new. Now taking a look at the paper, all over print, Jumpman logo, the Air Jordan Wing logo, and the number 23. These shoes come individually wrapped. So let's go ahead and peel all of this paper back, man, and get into these joints. Let's go ahead and take a nice little quick 180 look at the High 85 Georgetown. Now these joints come with the standard accessories that the High 85 has been known to come with. Hang tag, extra pair of laces. It comes with the paper stuffed in the inside to give you that old school Jordan or Nike feel from the 80s. Old school stamp. We have another sticker inside of the shoe. Makes you really feel like this shoe is fresh out of the 80s. Now that we have all of the accessories and everything out of the way, let's go ahead and take a closer look at the shoe. Aged tongue, heather gray toe box wrapped in the Georgetown navy, heather gray mid panel, navy Nike check. Air Jordan 1 wing logo is dressed in that heather gray. Taking a look at this heel, normal Air Jordan 1 highs kind of curve off a little bit. These right here, like the mold of the shoe, it just goes like straight up and down to give you the appearance that it's sitting higher at the ankle than the normal Air Jordan 1 highs. Another thing of note, this midsole definitely feels a lot more sturdy and a lot more heavier than a normal Air Jordan 1 high. It's like a more rigid midsole and outsole that's used on these High 85s. Going around to the medial side, same exact way as the lateral side, nothing different. Me personally, out of all of the Nike High 85s that has been released, this colorway right here is definitely my favorite thus far. I'm a fan of these joints. Hopefully you are too. If you're looking to pick these joints up for yourself, you can head over to the website fineline1721.com. Shipping now ahead of the release date. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. Both handles are the same, fineline1721. And into the next video, you guys already know what to do. Be smooth, enjoy life, bless up.